Hi future SEBI officers, welcome to EduTap. So you all know that SEBI released its official notification for the SEBI Grade Officer examination on 30th of October 2025, and you can see here on my screen the official notification of SEBI Grade Officer exam notification for year 2025, and this notification carried out all the important details related to the examination, like the examination patterns, the form filling details, the important deadlines, the important dates, apart from that the eligibility criteria and the number of vacancies. Now let me tell you that there is a crucial update that SEBI has released right now as an addendum to this particular notification. Now what exactly is that? That is what is a fantastic news for all the aspirants who are preparing for SEBI Grade Officer exam 2025. So guys, you can see here, as this particular notification was been released on 30th of October 2025, and I told you related to the number of vacancies. So earlier, when it comes to the general stream, the total number of vacancies was only 56, and for the research stream, the number of vacancies was 4. But let me give you a very heartwarming news of the day, that is the number of vacancies for the general and research stream has now been increased by the SEBI. As today SEBI has released a notification where it has mentioned that we are releasing an addendum to that official notification that was released on 30th of October 2025, and we have increased the number of posts from 56, which was officially advertised in the previous advertisement. Now there is an addition of 21 vacancies in the general stream, and now the total number of vacancies in the general stream is 77. That means a good news for all the people who are preparing for the general stream of SEBI Grade Officer exam 2025. So दोस्तों, वाकई यहाँ पर जो आपका कंपटीशन था पहले, अब उसके मुकाबले थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिटी कम होगी कंपटीशन की, बट हमें अपनी प्रिपरेशन को बिल्कुल अप टू द मार्क रखना होगा, राइट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर हम बात करते हैं रिसर्च कैटेगरी की, तो पहले जो आपकी 4 वैकेंसी थी, नाउ दीज 4 वैकेंसीज हैव बीन डबल्ड टू 8 in the revised notification, and this is the good news for all the people. As earlier you can see here from the previous part, we have seen that there is an addition of 25 vacancies. If you are someone who is preparing for either general or the research category, then this is a very good news for all of you, because this is really going to help you in your upcoming examination. So my dear friends, you can see here that there is an increase in the number of vacancies, but let me tell you, there are few things that we have to keep them in the mind. That is, there is no change in the form filling process, and there is no change in the form filling deadline date for the SEBI Grade Officer exam, क्योंकि आपका जो ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म डेट था, पहले भी उसकी लास्ट डेट 28th ऑफ नवंबर थी और अब भी उसकी लास्ट डेट 28th ऑफ नवंबर है. सो मेक श्योर कीजिए दैट यू आर filling your online form for the SEBI Grade Officer exam 2025 on time by 28th of November 2025. Apart from that, जिसने पहले फॉर्म फिल किया है, there is no change to that. You are not required to reapply for this particular notification. Don't worry guys, आपका जो फॉर्म भरा जा चुका है, that is full and final, right? So that was the good news for all of you, and for the upcoming more such kind of videos guys, you can definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now wish you all happy learning.